Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Hello friend, I am architect Minarul Islam. Today I will talk about the line command of AutoCAD. First we need to know what is the line. Any object has many segments. Each segment of this called a line. For example, it is a object. It has four segments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each segment of this called a line. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line and 4 line. Now we know where to get line command. Get line command in the draw toolbar from ribbon. This is ribbon, here have draw toolbar. This is a line command. Another we get line command here menu bar in the draw toolbar. This is a menu bar. Here have draw toolbar. This is a line. Moreover, we can also get line command from keyboard. For example, if we type L from keyboard, then press enter. We get the line command. Now we learn to use line command. First, click on the line command. Then click in the drawing area to specify the start point of the line segment. The line is not being horizontal or vertical. For this, I need to press F8 or on Ortho mode. This is Ortho mode option off. Now I click, then on. Then click specify the end point of the line. Press enter to end the command. Alternatively, we can use line command. I type L from keyboard, then press enter. Then click in the drawing area to specify the start point. The click specify the end point of the line. Then press enter for end the command. We can draw line in specify measurement. For example, type L from keyboard, then press enter. Click in the drawing area to specify first point. Now I type 24 inch, then press enter. Then press again enter for int command. First point, second point. 24 inch, 2 feet. Hope you are understand about line command. Please like and comment if you are happy for my video. Assalamu alaikum.